Welcome to It Is What It Is Reviews. Today I'll be reviewing a 4-inch chainsaw drill attachment. Not sure how well it's going to be, but I was intrigued to give it a shot. Got some small trees, branches, and whatnot I got to do around here. So we're going to get this out and see what we've got here. There's a small chain. Open that up in just a minute. There's the chainsaw attachment itself, handle, blade. Let's see what we got. Screwdriver and screws, heavy bolts, and 2 washers. I don't have my knife on me. Let's see if we can open this up. Just a moment. I got a pair of scissors right here. And there's the blade, the chainsaw blade. Rather small. Interesting. All right, I'll get this put together and give her a test drive. The best part about it is there's no instructions. I actually looked already. So we got nothing. Let's see. Just guessing. Huh. Nothing like not having any kind of instructions for anything. Come on. If it's wrong, because it is what it is. Well, looks to be the right way. Yeah, looks right to me. Let's see. It'll be the screw to tighten up the chain. Might be a little too tight. We're going with it. Meeny meeny. Nutsacks. Yep. Come on. Well, not as, yeah, it is what it is. That's all I'm going to say. Okay, stay there. Pretty sure most people wouldn't even want you to sit and have somebody watch you do this. But it's a review. It's not nothing special. Mistakes happen. Yeah, it's all good. Try that. Looks right. If it's wrong, it's wrong. We'll find out. Let's see. Wow, see? Phillips on a hex wrench. Oh, wait, I missed something here. Oh, no, let's say that. that way. Okay. Now we're going to go give her a test run on this thing. Give me a minute and we will be right back on some tree branches. You're just going to cut a couple small ones here. See how it does. Just a short review. See how she does. Well, not so well. Well, it's doing something. Well, I didn't put any pressure on it. Let's see. Well, that's one I really wanted out of there. But let's try a smaller one, because right now, it's not worth it. No. I'll tell you right now, not worth your money. You didn't put any pressure on it. Wow. Chain's not too tight. Let's try another one. Can't get much smaller than this. Let's start with this little finger. We get this out of the way. Nope. No, that thing's too junk. Wow, look at that. Almost 30 seconds later for a 1/4 inch sapling. Now, don't worry about spending your money on a piece of junk. This is what it is, reviews, and don't spend your money on it. Thanks for watching.